Picture a tiny coffee shop that suddenly goes viral, lines out the door, prices soaring, and everyone wants in. That's what happened to Shiba Inu on Ethereum. Popularity brought slow, expensive transactions. But what if that coffee shop built a private expressway for its customers? That's Shibarium, a new blockchain designed to make SHIB transactions fast and cheap. Shibarium isn't just about speed or cost. It's about transforming Shiba Inu from a meme coin into a real ecosystem with utility. The original SHIB was a novelty, but Shibarium aims to support apps, games, and services, all powered by Shiba Inu tokens. High Ethereum gas fees made SHIB impractical for everyday use. Shibarium slashes those fees, making microtransactions possible. This shift could turn SHIB from a speculative asset into a practical digital currency. As we dive in, keep that coffee shop in mind. Shibarium is the superhighway that could change everything for SHIB. We'll explore the community's role, the mechanics that add value, and what this means for holders and newcomers. The story of Shibarium is about a meme coin growing up, ambitious, risky, and potentially revolutionary. Whether it succeeds depends on the tech, the community, and delivering on big promises. Let's see how this expressway could redefine Shiba Inu's future. Welcome to the next chapter of SHIB. Stay tuned as we break down how this meme coin is aiming for real-world impact. The journey from joke to juggernaut starts now. To understand Shibarium's importance, let's rewind. Shiba Inu began in 2020 as a playful experiment, an anonymous founder, a cute dog mascot, and a mission to out-meme Dogecoin. It was fun, community-driven, and for a while just a digital collectible. But then the SHIB army exploded, millions joined, and SHIB's price soared, making headlines and minting millionaires. Suddenly, SHIB was a serious asset on Ethereum, but that success brought problems, high fees, and slow transactions. The very popularity that fueled SHIB's rise was now holding it back. The community wanted more than a joke. They wanted real value and utility. Developers realized SHIB needed its own infrastructure to survive and grow. Enter Shibarium, a dedicated platform to power a full ecosystem, decentralized exchange, NFTs, games, and more. The vision shifted from Dogecoin killer to building a self-sustaining universe, but none of this could thrive while stuck on Ethereum's congested network. Shibarium is the answer, a way for SHIB to control its destiny, set its own rules, and offer users a seamless experience. The meme was over. It was time to get serious. Shiba Inu's evolution is about more than hype. It's about building something that lasts. The next phase is all about utility, community, and innovation. Let's see how SHIB is rewriting its story. Before Shibarium, the Shiba Inu team set out to prove SHIB was more than a trading token. Their first big move, Shiba Eternity, a mobile card game developed with Playside Studios. It wasn't a cash grab, it was a real strategic game that topped app charts worldwide, powered by the SHIB army's enthusiasm. The game deepened the SHIB universe, turning holders into active participants, not just investors. Profits from Shiba Eternity are used to buy and burn SHIB tokens, directly linking the game's success to the token's value. The more people play, the more SHIB gets burned. A smart feedback loop. This approach is core to Shiba Inu. Build real products, create utility, and keep the community engaged. Shiba Eternity was the first step in making SHIB a brand, not just a coin. It signaled a shift toward long-term growth and a true ecosystem. One of Shiba Inu's most powerful tools is token burning, permanently removing tokens from circulation to create scarcity. With an initial supply of 1 quadrillion tokens, SHIB needed a way to boost value. Burning tokens is like destroying rare collectibles. Fewer tokens mean each one could become more valuable. The community embraced this, launching projects from music playlists to online stores that burn SHIB. But the real breakthrough is Shibarium's automated burn mechanism. A small fee from every transaction is used to buy and burn SHIB. This turns burning into a constant, unstoppable process. If Shibarium hosts thousands of apps and millions of transactions, every action helps reduce supply. Over time, even tiny burns add up, creating steady buying pressure. The automated burn portal is one of Shibarium's most anticipated features. It's a built-in economic engine designed to reward holders and drive long-term value. Scarcity isn't just a buzzword, it's a core part of SHIB's future. Shibarium makes it automatic. Let's talk solutions. Shibarium is a Layer 2 blockchain. Think of it as a multi-lane expressway next to Ethereum's crowded highway. It processes transactions quickly and cheaply, then settles them on Ethereum for security. This means SHIB keeps Ethereum's safety, but gains speed and low fees. Transactions on Shibarium are confirmed in seconds, costing just pennies or less. This unlocks new possibilities: gaming, social apps, and DeFi, all practical on Shibarium. The network introduces Bone, a token used for transaction fees, giving it real utility. Part of every Bone fee is converted to SHIB and burn, linking activity to scarcity. Shibarium is fully compatible with Ethereum tools, making it easy for developers to build. The goal: a vibrant ecosystem of apps, games, and services that drive demand for SHIB, Bone, and Leash. Shibarium is the foundation for Shiba Inu's future. Hype is everywhere, but what do experts say? Most agree Shibarium is a logical, necessary step for SHIB's survival. Without it, SHIB would stay a speculative token, stuck with high fees. Developers like Satoshi Kusama stress that Shibarium is about more than speed. It's about decentralization and empowering the community. Analysts warn, success depends on adoption. A fast highway is useless if no one drives on it. The real test is attracting developers and users to build a thriving economy. Competition among Layer 2s is fierce. Shibarium must stand out. Token burns help, but price depends on real-world use and market sentiment. Shibarium's impact will be measured over years, not weeks. So, what's next for Shiba Inu? Shibarium is a turning point, a chance to move from meme coin to real crypto contender. If it works, SHIB could become a major Layer 2 platform, not just a Dogecoin rival. For newcomers, Shibarium offers real reasons to hold SHIB utility, scarcity, and a growing ecosystem. For veterans, the focus is on execution. Can Shibarium deliver speed, security, and user-friendliness? Key metrics to watch: daily transactions, active wallets, total value locked, and the SHIB burn rate. Shiba Inu's journey is a case study in crypto evolution, from joke to serious tech. Shibarium is the centerpiece of that transformation. The next chapter is just beginning. Will SHIB's bold bet pay off? Stay tuned.